Shaneil Muir goes gospel and gives some motivation to her fans and followers.
Nothing good in life come easy. If it's too easy, can't good.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
They don't know. Prezenta. Tell them. Cut sword. They don't know.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today we are going to talk about Shaneil Muir.
Joke is clearly Lily. They don't know. What? Prezenta. They don't know. Follow me.
So people, Shaneil Muir was on her live and I don't know what inspire her. She herself don't know what inspire her because she has said she don't know what go on. But it looked like she was anointed. She get touched by some kind of outside force or some kind of holy force. We don't know. But she attacked some things. You see what I say? And she has sing some gospel. So I'm going to have the live for sure now in a minute.
Me did the humbling of the jungle, no my code like an icebox. Like the bangers, with the bangers, it mad like down in Iraq. Some guy no want me career take a flight like the pilot. Big evidence clear, and me no need no hijack. Them all know I eat the cheese and every poison like a mice rat. I engineer a fussy, him still me now go vice back. Bad man mafia stop me move when them better try not. So mystically, physically, I will still Goliath. No wrestle with the man, cause I am not bare wired. I tell some little friars that I shall reach my climax. Don't you ready at this trap? My boat name gonna bias. Them hype up certain one song and
So people, the song is called They Don't Know and the artist is called Prezenta. I'm going to put the link to the full song in the comment section along with the social media links. So we're going to talk about the Shaneil Muir story. Right after that, I'm going to play the hook of this song. We'll jump right into that story, all right? So here goes the hook and then Shaneil Muir's story.
keep your heart is quiet. Many ways to one of the days with the skin I cut them down bad cards, you know. Know that me thing a shot. Think me soft to me DJ and me sing a lot. Anytime the king attack every chicken ring a pop. Many ways to one of the days with the skin I cut them down bad cards, you know. Know that me thing a shot. Think me soft to me DJ and me sing a lot. Anytime the king attack every chicken ring.
Yeah, people, so big up Prezenta and him song They Don't Know. And like me say, all the links will be in the comment section. Now, people, we are going to get into the Shaneil Muir story. So like me say, Shaneil Muir was on her live and she was giving praises. She was singing gospel song and she was talking to her fans them and basically motivate them. So me I go play it for you so you can hear. And please, me I beg you, just pay attention because this is a really good message. And when the dancehall artists them do bad things, we post it. So when them do good things, we have to post it. And I'm very proud to be posting this today. Hope we can touch a life and reach out to somebody who really need it. So without any further ado, here is Shaneil Muir.
You don't have to worry. Don't you be afraid. Joy comes in the morning. Trouble, they don't last always. Remember there's a friend in Jesus who will wipe your tears away. And if your heart is broken, just lift your hands and say, oh, I know that I can make it. I know that I can stand no matter what may come my way. My life is in your hands. Listen to me. A lot of times we feel like we need people to push with. Or we feel like we can't do certain things on our own. But just know, most of those times, all you need a little self-confidence, self-reflection, time for self. Most of the time, all we need are just to tell ourselves, say we can do it. Most of the time, you really and truly don't need. The strength that you really need is within you. And you just need to spark that strength there. You just need to take some time to find the strength within yourself so you can move forward. A lot of the times we think that we need people to bring us to that place where we need to be, when really and truly the person that you need is you. The person that you need is you. And a lot of time God try to show you that, Him try to tell you that, and sometimes we just don't listen. He will put people in our path, yes. He will place things in our lives, but at the end of the day, everything that He's placing surrounds you. And Him want you to know, say, the strength what you have within yourself can move. Ask yourself the question, who am I? Right now, I know if you really sit down and you ask yourself that question there, you will be surprised to realize that you can't even answer your own self. Because if I should sit and ask myself that question, who am I? Your brain probably go blank. Who am I? Who are you? Who are you? But yet, a lot of us feel the need that we should get up and judge another person, not even knowing who we are in ourselves. Who am I? I am nothing without God. Nothing. Dust. Source of dirt. So until a person in this lifetime can point out where he has never sinned, no one can judge me. No one can judge you. You are accountable for your life. You are accountable for the way you live. You are accountable for every action. You are accountable for every reaction that you give. And you go through life right now, let me tell you something. A lot of people don't believe in spirituality. But in this world there's good and evil. And trust me when I tell you, evil out there in abundance. Nobody feel like say there's only a physical warfare going on. There's a spiritual warfare as well. You have to know which side you fight for. Me have to know which side me I fight for. Enough of you no rather sit down and hear the bugo yaga, and that you no like, don't. I like your bugo yaga. I'm not take blessing on the soul this morning, man. If you don't want to hear it, there is a X button right on the top right corner of your life. Go ahead and click that.
So once again, big up Shaneil Muir, people that was really, really inspirational. And I hope a person who needed to hear that heard it and received the blessing or the motivation, the strength, or whatever you may call it that they need, right? And people like me, I say, You know, me have to commend Shaneil Muir for this because in all the while we get this from her, but now we know that she have it in her. Maybe we are going to get it more often or at least one more time. You see me? The artists, them always do other things, always that mix up on them thing, they will post it. So when them do the good things, then we have to post it as well. So people, that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on you. Stay safe out there. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.